Welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And it's summer, it's hot, and we need some cool stuff. Okay, so let's make some sorbet. We're gonna make some watermelon sorbet today. I have some frozen watermelon cubes in the freezer. I took them out so that they can start to thaw, and get to that nice frizzy consistency that I would want. But what we'll do is just two ingredients. I'm just going to use the watermelon, the frozen watermelon fruit, and some agave nectar, just to heighten the sweet a little. And it's going to be that refreshing sorbet that you need in the summer. It's so hot outside, it's like 95 degrees, and you just need that. So let's go to those ingredients and get that sorbet going. So here we are, guys. Frozen watermelon pieces. I diced the watermelon up, or this is probably just half of the watermelon because we did some other stuff with the rest of the watermelon, and we just add some agave nectar just to heighten the sweet a little bit. But these are the only two ingredients we're going to use for this sorbet. So here we are, frozen watermelon, and we're going to use the Ninja to get it to the consistency that we want. So we can just I added a little bit of liquid in there just to help it along. But everything else is frozen. By the time it gets blended, everything is gonna just refreeze because everything is cold. And we're gonna add right now some agave nectar in there. We'll just do a crush. Let's see if that's what we want. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Yes. It's nice and icy. No lumps. Cool. And that's just about 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Just give it another spin. And we're done. I'm using a nice little glass bowl here. Just pour it all out in there. Smooth it off a little. I will slap a cover on this and put it into the freezer for at least an hour. So after my sorbet has been frozen overnight, it's wonderful. It's just scraping like a real sorbet here. Awesome. I have a little sorbet glass here. And there you have it, a wonderful watermelon sorbet. And you can decorate this or garnish it with pieces of fruit or any way you see fit, or just have it straight up. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip. Watermelon sorbet.